And then the last one.
Hurry up.
Oh,
We're
God,
almost out of time.
Very close.
Go faster, stop talking.
Ooh, what's that?
Hey guys, it's Moose and Lauren here, back with another one of our fun little videos.
How's it going?
If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. You won't regret it. And yeah, on our channel we go over a lot about Spreadshop, how to engage your fans, engage your audience, and of course how to boost sales, the fun part.
Assuming you don't have a Spreadshop, head over to spreadshop.com. Sign up today. It's free to open your own shop. But if you do have a Spreadshop, you're in for a treat. We're going to share some tips today, right?
Oh yeah. We are going to be playing Taboo today. I don't know how many of you are familiar with Taboo, but there are 3 words that Moose is going to try and stump me on, but there are certain words that he cannot say. The cards will be displayed below so you can see if he's cheating or not. But yeah, here we go.
So are you ready to start?
I think so. I'm a little nervous.
Start this old timer here. Boom! So first card. This is something that when you share to your fans, they become, they learn more about you. And this is making you more noticeable.
Awareness?
Awareness.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here's one where you want to be on topic. You want people to be able to relate to what you're talking about. You want to be
relatable?
No,
that would
similar
be
to
cheating.
that. You want to be
relevant.
Yes.
Really?
Perfect.
Okay. Good.
Wow. And then the last one.
Hurry up.
Oh,
We're
God,
almost out of
we're
time.
very close. I'll
Go
hold this up
faster.
here.
Stop talking.
Ooh, what's that? So this one is you want to like post this type of stuff every day. You want to
pictures,
create this
blog
as much
posts,
as possible.
content.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh, I just ran out of time.
Oh wow, that was very close. So I don't know if you noticed a theme across all 3 of these words.
I noticed a bit of a theme.
There's a general tip, a general awareness, relevant content tip, if you will. Do you want to guess what it is?
I'm going to say that between content, relevant, awareness, you should probably post relevant content to make people aware.
Beautiful. I couldn't have done it better myself. So if you own a Spreadshop and you want to sell shirts, you want to get people into your shop, clicking around, looking at all your cool designs, make sure you build some content out, you share it with your audience, whether that's on social media, through email, through videos just like this. You want to keep it relevant, hit any of those hot topics that are out in the news or anything that, your followers would be really engaged on, and keep them aware of all these new designs you're loading in, and they'll be there and they'll be buying your shirts.
Exactly.
I think that's it.
I think that's it as well.
So that was a pretty fun game. If you liked this video, we'll have more coming at you.
Give it a nice thumbs up as well.
A thumbs up, and then take that thumb and just smash that subscribe button.
Might as well. It's right there.
Head to spreadshop.com. Stay up to date on all the latest news on our socials.
Yep.
Until next time, take it easy.